It's time now to start with a rapid fire round. So are you ready?
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Jane, we'll start with you. All right, Jane. Ladies first.
Okay.
You agree?
Yes.
Okay. So Jane, on a scale from 1 to 10, how good are you when it comes to playing an any instrument?
1 to 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, 10 on 10.
10 on 10.
Yeah.
So confident you are.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, but was a part in but singing, oh my god,
All right. Tell me one secret.
Cigarette. No, kinda this time. No
Kinda.
cigarettes, no.
Okay. What is one thing you would never give up?
Music.
Okay. What are you addicted to?
Music.
Okay. What did you first notice about me?
Your dressing sense.
All right. What is your favorite rainy day activity?
Rainy day.
Hmm.
Rainy day. To sleep.
To sleep.
What
Okay.
else can I do? Yeah.
Okay. Do you play more than one instrument?
Yes.
Have you ever won a bet?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
Yes. What is the strangest thing you ever saw while walking down the street?
No.
Nothing.
No.
Are you the most talkative one?
With few people, you know.
Like Reza.
Like razor.
Okay. What is your go-to snack?
Snack. Yeah, biscuits and all.
How many years have you been playing saxophone?
When I was in 9th, I was 14, I guess.
Mhm.
Yeah, so. I don't
Okay.
know.
Who was the most memorable client? Or you can say when it comes to troop, a memorable troop.
Saros once.
Okay. Have you ever planned a prank months in advance? Never.
No.
Expensive presents or homemade presents?
Expensive. Because like a homemade, no, I'm not into like.
Okay.
homemade
Now,
things and all.
the most interesting question. Which are the two things that people don't know about Jane?
Okay, it's funny, you know, like I don't know to ride even a non-geared bike.
Okay. One.
Like mama, I this
Yeah. And two?
2.
Hmm.
Think.
Reza, you know anything about her that people don't know?
She's sweet. Actually. मला बोला का हो बरं झालं इथं स्वीट झालं
All
चाय
right.
उन शॉर्ट्स
All right. Well done, Jane. Okay. Moving on with Reza. आज मस्त nervous झाला तो? No. Okay.
Cool ना सर.
Cool. All right. Let's start. Which one thing is the ugliest thing you've ever seen?
Snake.
Ugly.
Okay.
मला like नाही.
What's your favorite beverage?
Beer.
A person who inspires you.
My parents.
What is one food you would never want to give up?
Food.
Food.
I would say beef.
Your first job.
First job was in Heritage.
Your first concert you ever attended or performed.
First concert. There was now in Akita, but it was in Margao.
Okay. What was the last word you had to look up to see what it meant? उघडा था.
उघड असे ना असं.
Okay. Do you recycle? Recycle.
I'll have to think back. Recycle. Good time, yeah.
Breakfast food or dinner food?
I don't eat breakfast.
What's your favorite
I
type
would
of
say
music
food,
to
yeah,
play?
food. Sorry?
Your favorite type of music to play?
I play guitar, violin, chikon.
How would you describe your typical performance style?
It was bad. My childhood, obviously.
Are you fasting?
Yeah, I'm hungry now.
How do you interact with guests during the event?
Okay. This one is. I'm always calm, supportive. Zaina dekho zale, chatole. Mina ka chatole.
What kind of equipment do you use?
My legs,
Your favorite or irritating colleagues?
my sister.
Okay, now you tell me two things that people don't know about Razor.
एक जेन सांगतले
Come on, Jane.
वन थिंग इज मुगेले चिंता पडटले ना
Hmm.
people know it but recently MC start केला आणि that काजराई केले so maybe that would be one thing
That people don't know
yeah,
that you're
and
MC.
आंब्याच्या पोंदात हांव मुगेले पहिले लोकांक खबर ना आंब्याच्या पोंदात तू हा म्हणटाय ते म्हाका अरे बरयला हे एक्टिंग हांवें केला सिंगिंग हांवें केला नाव हा काय म्हणटा ते
All right, then.
Okay.
Done? Two things?
शील टेल वन थर्ड
Third.
Okay, tell me.
Seminary असताना.
oh yes
Seminary.
I was in seminary yeah
Oh, I see. See?
so
She knows you.
she knows me
All right.